Good morning, guys. So today's Thursday. It's 8:37 a.m. I'm going over there to move the car because yesterday I left it parked outside. Oh my god, you guys. So I parked it. Got a warning to not park on the street because if not, then you get it fine. But you know, it's really cloudy today. I love this type of weather. Do you guys see the sky? It's super cloudy. Thought I would vlog this process of the whole quarantine yourself because I think it's kind of cool. So I'm just vlogging here the whole process of being in quarantine. I think this would be some good old videos to look at and also to have. I gotta go inside to work and make some coffee. So it's 8:45. That's the wrong time. I still haven't changed it. But I'm gonna make some coffee and I'm gonna get my water and boil it. That over there is instant coffee, so you know we just need some water to boil it. So I'm just gonna warm some water up, put some coffee in there. This is the decaf one. Well, there you guys can see everything. All that I get. Alright guys, so I got my cup. I'm gonna use this one and I'm gonna use this straw because I can't find, I think the straw that came with this one I had to throw it away because I didn't have something to clean it with. Okay, so I also got a glass of ice, which I'm gonna throw in first. And a lot of this is gonna melt right away because it's gonna be hot. So I'm gonna put more ice. I'm gonna add some French vanilla. Mix it up. And there you have it. Yum! Tastes so good. This is my lunch right here, a wrap with some grapes. Hey guys, so yesterday I ended up not coming back because then friends came over and we were just hanging out here after work. And yeah, so today it is Friday currently. It's 4:30. I just finished cleaning my kitchen and this area of the house because it was messy. It wasn't dirty, but there was just a lot of mess everywhere, like cups and plastic plates, and just it was just messy. So I just threw everything away, at least what I could, and threw everything to the dishwasher what was dirty. So yay, I just finished doing that. My house looks nice and neat now, finally. So I've been doing that after I got out of work, and then I took Bambi out. We just hung out there for a little bit, but that's it. I don't have anything to do now until who knows when, until my husband comes home. So I'm just chilling here. I was actually thinking of filming my lights lacquer video now that I have my camera charged, because remember yesterday it died. So now that I have my camera charged, I can finally go upstairs and film my video. I also have a TikTok, you guys. I made a TikTok a while back and I've just been more active now that I've been home. So yeah, March 18 was the last time. So that's like last week. Yeah, last week on Wednesday was the last time I posted something. So I really need to post something this week. I also haven't posted on YouTube in a while. How about we just go upstairs and do some swatches? Maybe even film the video right now. guys, so here is the final transformation of my closet. Oh my god, you guys, finally I'm done working. It's 3:18. Look at Bambi. So you guys can just see him. This is where he chills, right? When I'm working. And he just sleeps there and he bounces back between my chair and him, going on my lap and just laying down. Mira que sueño tienes. Gotta clean his eyeballs. You cold, Bambi? You miss your fur? Yeah. You cold, my baby boy? You wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? Let's go outside. It's like, I was so comfortable, Mom. I was so comfortable. I know you were. Oh, good doggy stretch. How cute do you look? You're so handsome. Oh, qué sueño. Ben? I'm gonna take him outside. I have to clean my kitchen. We had a barbecue yesterday and it's still a mess. It's really bright. It feels nice though. I've not been outside today at all. It's hot. I can only imagine it being out in the sun. I'm not in the sun, I'm in the shade and I'm hot. Oh man, but it's such a lovely day. It's crazy how it's been so nice all these days and we can't do anything. We can't go to the beach, we can't go to the parks. Like everything is closed and it's so nice. So that sucks, but you know, we just chill at home in the backyard for now. It's not like I regularly leave my house anyways. I just leave to go to work and then I'll be back home. You know, I can't even do that. That's okay. I like working from home. It's like so relaxing. Anyways, what have you guys been up to? I have not been doing anything. I've been watching a new series on, well, it's not new actually because I'm on the 3rd season, but the new season just came out and I was literally just been watching that. It's called Vite. It's in Spanish. It's like a Spaniard series. I really like it. It kind of reminds me of Rebelde a little bit, but not really because this one involves more like, Rebelde is a little bit more dramatic and like in the sense of like love and you know, all that high school drama of like who's dating who or whatever. And Vite is more of like a who murdered this person in high school. That's what it is, I guess. That's the show I've been watching. And that's all I'm doing. Just chilling at home because there's nothing much to do. Look at this mother. Bambi, are you ready to go inside? Finally? Or no? Oh my god, you guys, I broke my nail. Oh, yesterday or the other day, I don't remember. But it's broken. Guess I was typing too harsh. Also, I haven't been oiling. Oh my god, I'm such a slacker. I'm such a slacker. Alright, well, I'm gonna get to cleaning and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!